Social media has become an integral part of our lives, changing the way we communicate, connect, and share information. It has not only revolutionized personal interactions, but has also emerged as a powerful tool for businesses and individuals alike. When it comes to marketing and promotion, social media has opened up new avenues for reaching audiences, building brand awareness, and driving engagement. To make the most of social media for marketing purposes, it is essential to develop a well-defined strategy. The first step is to identify your target audience and understand their preferences, interests, and behaviors. This knowledge will help you tailor your content to resonate with your audience and maximize the impact of your social media efforts. The next step is to choose the right social media platforms for your business. Each platform operates differently, has a unique user base, and offers distinct features. Research and identify which social media platforms are popular among your target audience and align with your business goals. Whether it's Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or others, selecting the right platforms is crucial for effectively reaching and engaging with your audience. Once you have chosen the platforms, it's time to create compelling content that will captivate your audience and encourage them to interact with your brand. Visual content, such as images and videos, tends to be more engaging and shareable. Craft innovative and eye-catching visuals that align with your brand identity and resonate with your audience. Share valuable and informative content that provides insights, tips, or solves their pain points. By consistently offering valuable content, you can build trust and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. Engagement is a vital element of successful social media marketing. Encourage your audience to like, comment, and share your content. Respond promptly to comments and messages, showing that you value and appreciate their interaction. By actively engaging with your audience, you not only build relationships, but also foster loyalty and advocacy for your brand. To further enhance your reach and expand your audience, consider using paid advertisements on social media platforms. Each social media platform offers various advertising options, including sponsored posts, promoted tweets, and display ads. These advertising tools can help you target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, allowing you to reach a broader audience that may not have otherwise discovered your brand. Social media is not just about promoting your own content. Actively participate in relevant conversations, join industry groups, and collaborate with influencers. This will help you increase your visibility and credibility within your industry. By showing genuine interest in the community, sharing valuable insights, and supporting others, you can establish yourself as a trusted and respected member of your industry's social media space. Another important aspect of successful social media marketing is analytics. Monitoring and analyzing your social media performance will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Most social media platforms offer built-in analytics tools that provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, content performance, and engagement metrics. Use this data to refine your strategy, identify trends, and optimize your content for better results. Social media marketing is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing process. Consistency is key. Regularly post content, interact with your audience, and stay up to date with the latest trends in your industry. Social media is constantly evolving, so it's essential to adapt your strategy and tactics accordingly. In conclusion, social media offers immense potential for businesses and individuals to connect, engage, and reach their target audience effectively. By developing a clear strategy, creating compelling content, actively engaging with your audience, and utilizing analytics, you can make the most of social media for marketing purposes. Keep in mind that social media is about building relationships, providing value, and fostering community, so approach it with a genuine desire to connect and make a positive impact.